Kamu yang pamer. Bener-bener. No, that's right.
Okay, we are right.
Thank you. Sixth floor. Oh, girl, they look cute. Oh my god. And then do the wife. Hello. Nothing. And then do the wife. No mangoes. I love it, yeah. God, this was worth it. No, wait, this is so pretty.
Very nice, guys. Yeah. We've been having the West.
You see that bread?
Yeah. Hi guys. So location change. So this is we're at Kalima Resort. So that's our new place that we're at. Let me take you through the room tour. Okay, this is where we're gonna put our clothes and store our
This is a little
bags.
bag.
And there's like cute little bag there, some towels, some sandals, some gowns, obviously. And then this is the bathroom. We have like a cute little bathtub.
You can finally soak.
Yes, you can finally soak. Like a little cute shower here. Yeah, the
You know,
toilets,
no more
yeah.
bathroom shandies.
Yeah, that's just everything about it. And then this is our bedroom. This is where we're gonna be sleeping if we sleep.
If we sleep.
We're gonna be sleeping. Yeah,
She cute.
it's very cute. Okay.
And a little outdoor sitting. And some grass.
But it's hot.
The
Guys.
beach.
Some view.
Views. You know.
Yeah.
And the beach club is over there, we think.
Over there.
It's over there, we think. So that's where we're going. It's a cute little mall. Let's go downstairs again. Yona, beach curb. Let's go, honey.
Okay, thank you. So here is your credit, 1,500 per person for food and drink. So you just scan it when you want to close the bill at the end of the day.
it's about that time. Remember how to get back to our room? Guys, the staircase. I'm coming back for the staircase. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Press 3. Is your phone still on? Mine is off. No, it's 3, it's not 6.
No, what? That's
It's 3. You don't have the key, baby. You don't have the key. Gabby, you don't have the key. Wait, what's our room number? Wait, you don't even know our room number? I know it's after the card. It's after the card.
4, 3.
For real. Hey, yo, DJ, drop that beat. Hey, yo, let's go.
Yo, guys, there's no way, guys. There's no way. Good morning, guys. It's afternoon. It's 12:26. We just finished packing our bags. Nothing is cute. Nobody's feeling great. We're not feeling great. But we got dressed. We look cute. Look at Gabby. She's giving island vibes. Look at her. Yes, girl. Oh my gosh. And then let me show you guys my look. This is what I'm wearing with the flops. Yeah, I peep into it. Okay, great. We're gonna go eat breakfast now at 12 o'clock. It's gonna be lunch. And we're checking out. We asked for a late checkout because, well, also our flight is at like midnight. So we still have the whole day here. But yeah, come with us. Guys, my gosh. Nothing is cute. It's past 1. At the closer, still not okay. Guys, don't drink gin. The gin in Thailand, I swear there's something in it, yeah.